Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make bean sprout chow mein, and these are the ingredients you need. I have half a pound of bean sprout, 2 cloves of garlic, red pepper. I am going to use half of it, and then 2 scallions, and then chow mein. I'm going to use half a pack, and then sugar, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oil, and water. We're going to do all the preparation work first, which is mince the garlic. Now I'm rinsing the scallion. I'm cutting it because the head is big, so you cut into half. This one needs to cook longer, so I put it here, and this one is easier to cook. Separate it. I'm using half today only because the pepper is quite a big size. So now I'm going to cut the pepper like into thin slice. Now I'm going to rinse the bean sprout. Rinse it a couple of times. Right now I'm boiling half a pot of water to cook the chow mein, the noodle. You have to wait until it's boiled before I put in the noodle, okay? While we are waiting for the water to boil, I'm going to prepare the sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons light soy, and then put aside for later use. Okay, the water is boiling, so I'm cooking half a package. So I open the package, and the noodle is already in little cubes. So 1, 2, there are 4 cubes, half a package. It's just 3 minutes, but you can cook to the texture that you want. Try to loosen it if you can. In the meantime, I am going to pan fry the rest of the ingredient. So I put in about a tablespoon of oil into the pan. I'm going to put in the garlic and the white part of the scallion. So the aroma comes out now. Cook for another minute before I add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, 1 minute has passed by, and I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredient like pepper. And bean sprout. Putting in the sauce that we made earlier. So you can add a little water to clean the bowl. It's like 2 tablespoons of water that I used, but you can use less. Okay, just let it be cooking. And in the meantime, you can check the noodle. Okay, the vegetable is ready. Okay. And now the noodle is also ready, 3 minutes. So I'm going to transfer from one side to the next. So see, wait until the water stops a bit. All my noodle has been added in, so now I'm going to stir it. Okay, my noodle has been all mixed and my stove is shut, and now I'm going to transfer to the plate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.